Howdy folks, this is Jethro. I just wanted to come on and do a quick video. I'm going to do an unboxing and actually just announcing the start of my build here. I already announced that I was going to do this, but 55 Mercedes gull wing. I'm going to do this build for the Chris Cortel Celebration of Life group build. And I've never seen this kit built or unboxing or anything on that, so I figured I'd do an unboxing and kind of show y'all and see for myself what all's in there as well. And just figured I'll go do that, and then I can get started on it and get some progress made on it. So start off with the body. It's a neat little body on this thing. Fairly small car, but pretty nice casting. It looks like everything looks good on that. Get over here to some other parts here. The interior tub, got the hood, deck lid, little piece for the interior. A little bit of flash in here. That's the only flash I see on this kit. Right in, I'm gonna get my little pointer so I don't have to keep putting my crooked fingers in the way there. But all this around here, but it doesn't really amount to anything. There's a little bit right around here on the edge of the hood and the trunk lid, but that's very workable. That's not a problem at all. At least like the steering wheel and some of the other parts don't have a bunch of flash on there. Here's the floor pan and the doors. It's pretty clean there. I don't see any flash much to speak of there. Get some more. We got a fuel tank and some steering linkages. Some of the wheels. There's a little flash on there as well, but it's easy to clean that up. So all the places that it is not in places where it's bad to clean up. We got some engine parts here. It's falling apart on me there. But anyway, got the engine block and some heads and some other engine parts, some injector lines and radiator. It's pretty nice stuff. Looks pretty cool. Got two sets of wheels. Got the painted wheels, which I'm gonna go with the black painted wheels on there. It's got chrome wheels, but I prefer the black painted ones on what I'm doing for the build here. Just a little kind of hard to see with this stuff in the background there. These are just little side vents, and I'm not exactly sure what that is. I'll figure it out as I get going on there. More front suspension, front inner fender wells. Looks like some steering linkage. Little exhaust parts, springs and shocks. And then got over here, we got a little bit of look like upper A-arms there, some different support stiffening bars for the chassis, drive shaft, the dash, two pieces of the dash. That's instrument panel on the top of the dash. That's part of the spare tire there. Got some loose parts here. The seat. Got some other loose parts in the bag here. The other part of the spare tire. This kit's been around for a while, so some of the parts have fallen off the sprue. That looks like the firewall. There's the other seat. There's looks like a rear differential half. And there's the other half of the rear differential. So overall, it's a really nice kit from what I've seen so far. Move these out of the way. We got a chrome tree here. This is like I say, here's the chrome wheels. Got a little bit of something either on the chrome, or looks like the chrome is peeling off a little there, but like I said, they're not peeling off, it's just turned a little black or something there. But I'm not planning on using those anyway. The chrome all looks really good. Intake manifold there, valve covers, more fuel distribution there. Bumpers, which I probably won't use because I'm building the race version of this, and most of the pictures I've seen do not use bumpers. And then the last of the sprue is another chrome tree, but this one is just accessories here. You got a little sign. There's a decal for that, like for a display. You got the easel here for that sign. One good thing about this, I'm for sure going to get some trophies with this build because it comes with them. Otherwise, I probably would never get one. But anyway, yeah, that's pretty cool. That's for display. You can put those up like the card one trophies and all. I don't know if I'm going to use any of that or not. I hadn't decided yet. These are stanchions to hold like the ropes that go around the show cars. And another little plaque there. And we got a decal sheet. That's good because that's exactly what I wanted to do with the car. I was going to do silver with the black stripes and the numbers exactly like that is how I envisioned this, and it comes with them, so that's really cool. And we got the clear parts, and those are all in really good shape. Thankfully, the tires were just laying in the bottom of the box, but thankfully they were just not laying on anything else, so no damage was done in all of those years. So but that's pretty much it. Looks like a cool kit. Like I say, I'm gonna get some sprues separated out and get some paint done on the chassis and get some paint done on the body and everything, and get starting to get going on it. And I'm looking forward to it. This should be a fun build. And I also wanted to mention that I'd mentioned in the earlier video that I'd won this kit from Ron Stewart over at Grandpa's Toy Room. So I want to thank Ron again for that. Pretty cool deal there, and just shows a couple other little things that they have on the instruction sheet. It gives you some specifications of the actual car, your wheelbase, length, the weight of the car, type of stuff there. And it was interesting, the price new was $7,300 US in 1955. That was a lot of money back then, before I was born. But I know that your typical Ford Chevy were a couple $1,000s for a new one of those, to give you a little reference of how much this car was, which part of the reason why it's a rare car, because it was only for the fairly affluent. And anyway, that's about it. I'm going to go ahead and cut this off here, and not going to hold you up too long. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing, and I've never done an unboxing, so hopefully I did a decent job on it, showed you what was there. And but I'm going to go ahead and start separating this out and get going on it and get it built. And that's it. This is Jethro, over and out.